If you want to be successful in your business and in your life, you don't really have to do it on your own. Yan ang mga realizations ko nung ako ay naging scholar ng KMME or Kapatid Mentor Me ng Department of Trade and Industry at ng Go Negosyo. Nung una, naniniwala ako na lahat ng bagay ay kaya kong solusyonan, kaya kong gawin, yung success na yan maaabot ko on my own. But I realized dahil sa KMME, napakarami palang bagay na dapat natin matutunan, lalo na mula sa mga mentors or sa mga business owners na talaga namang successful at willing to share yung kanilang mga strategies, tips, most importantly, yung wisdom. So kung ikaw may pangarap ka, gusto mong maging successful at maging sustainable ang iyong negosyo, all you really have to do is to become one of the scholars of DTI and Go Negosyo. I hope to see you there. I've been really active with these organizations and I'm just so proud na ako ay produkto nila.